I love a quilt with a chain in it. And the quilt behind me was a bit of a challenge given to me by Creative Quilting. What can you do with a layer cake or 5-inch squares? Well, the quilt behind me, which we've called Liberty Emporium, because that's the fabric that we used, is the result. And I'm just going to share with you the simple step-by-steps. You will get full workshop notes and a pattern is available. So the one behind me is the green version. And then they also have Liberty Emporium B, which is a blue and ochre version, which is absolutely stunning. Would be very happy to make a quilt in this too. So I've got some sort of darker ones and some lighter ones, and they're going to be made into sets of 4. So this is the beginning of each of the blocks. So this is the block that we've just talked about. So it has a chain on each end, as well as one going this way. I've used the same fabric to be on the outside.